Hi there, welcome to this Tronsmart comparison. So in this comparison we're going to see to the Trip and the Splash One. The speakers are very similar in price, and when you look at them in size comparison, this one's a little bit bigger and this one is just rounded. So let's get right to the audio testing, and then afterwards I will talk with you about my opinion.
I'm just good at caring too much, good at caring too much.
So after audio testing, I've noticed a few things. First off, both speakers are fine for the price. So they are between 20 to 25 euros. And for that price you can't expect too much of a speaker. For example, the Splash, I think it's the most durable looking speaker. It also feels very durable. But with this speaker I've noticed in audio test that the volume is a little bit lower than the Trip. Voices and also mids sound very clear on the speaker. Especially the highs are not too much present, but it sounds very good on this one. With the Trip you have a completely different audio quality. So the Splash, I would say, is the best for outdoor and also for clear voices. And with the Trip I've noticed a few things. The Trip build quality is fine, but it's also supposed to be waterproof. And in a previous video I already mentioned that I don't really think it's really waterproof enough. Especially the IPX7 rating, I'm not sure, I wouldn't trust the speaker for it. But the audio quality, it sounds very warm, very full for this kind of size speaker. Don't expect very deep bass or extreme strong bass. But I have to be honest, for this size and also for the price, it's not a very bad speaker. That one is now going off because the connection has stopped. So yeah, overall I do think that both speakers have a very great performance. But this one I would definitely choose for a little bit more fuller sound. And the Splash One is definitely the winner for outdoor and durable build quality. I hope you guys enjoyed this video about the speakers. I'll see you guys around.